Okay, FM 101.7.
Aye.
And yeah, Mamin Kwai Naminko Dr. Abwajida Costa, or a director of health promotion, our Ghana Health Service. The Ninko and Combo. Dog me more channel pay.
Hello.
Dog me more channel pay.
Good morning.
Now, I'm to say,
Namia do moment where Namuswe.
Boko Kakra Kraigum, Bonibi Enim. Na Wadaruma, Yababu channel pay ya, Eja, COVID therefore ya, Abeshia man Sansui. Ye near Ghana, dear one and Comway. Baby, I have from a bedroom, and won't come out to say.
Me da se me fawo fidie so na machia Ghana fo nyina. Cases no kostro. Na yenya ye wapomuden so ye dia ye betimi bia. Nia adesrede ba kwa e ho ne se se Ghana ni bia emeku sure se ehu ne se asode eda obia so. Ese mrana ye diego of the brony friend safety protocols no obia be so because ideally so obia safety protocols ne so to say the na the cases should be coming down enti say ye hia mu media foi ye hia queen mothers ye hia ahemfo ye hia celebrities e wo krom ha esa mu nyina mu beboa yen na public education no ye hia Ministry of Information for na mu nyina mu boa yen na ye intensify education na obia ente na de tie ne say behavior change a process e wo mu say enioma ne bi wo ha ye culture no afia ansa na ye introduce to say wearing of the mask you saying afia ni introduce social distancing until sometimes just say o kasa ansa na nipa no ayeden wa change minim say obi e organ ha bia nim say corona e wo hode but say on be these safety protocols ne so no say da bia broni friend ore ekoin say da bia na mo fidie so ne e continuous education sa say e koso ne kasa mani to amount ni trim answer na sometimes I say you use to enforcement so because information ko na say knowledge in to mean change behavior enti na wo hwa ya the EI 64 in a other way aka ho na ya de eboa edi dwuma no enti ye hia ne say to say there obia Ghana ni bia emboa obia wa so de won so because yare unya unim so be wa na say unya dey unwu cases kwa na ekosro apomuden for so ebo mo homodin bia one of the problems so ye hu ne say because of stigma nkofo and report it in term enti niamesfa wo fidie so asra ne say who say who signs and symptoms maybe per se fever cold and I say untimi smell it bibia mesrel fra pomodin for and I say visit the nearest health facility na enije samba akokre wo mu ne say bebre na akrom work critical condition moderate to critical conditions no almost survive it. People are being rushed in 48 hours no more there no more it's just say omo report it early and omo report it early nkomo bantemo a nka yebetia yeden a save omo enti eno a major concern. Another thing so I hu say sa comorbidities ya ye ka ho asem hypertension diabetes edrumra say asoman ye fan of very very serious na ye making sure say ye waging war against the non-communicable diseases because oche ewu a COVID-19 de baya majority of them enye Ghana nko awiase nyina sanya diabetes and hypertension ena the ekeka ho enti concentrating on how we fight these non-communicable diseases me sure say senkanye non-communicable diseases here. In fact, nke won crank and kofo nke so beti kra ohwe data na. Nti we mu na ye pese moboa na ye bo ho dawro. Na ye hu sɛdeɛ asɔman ɛhenfa na yɛsɛ yɛ den yɛ invest yɛ resources to say ɛyɛ sɛ yɛ make sure sɛ yɛ ɔman yɛ de obi yɛ encouraging nkurɔfoɔ ama ɔman yɛ de ɔman yɛ exercise ho hia paa sɛ yɛ encouraging nkurɔfoɔ sɛ ɔmo ni yɛ yankasa yɛ nnuane a yɛ den yɛ wɔ yi say encouraging crofo say omunya den omunda yie na omu avoid the stress say encouraging crofo say carbohydrates ne we say na omu edi no afi di omu ndi enhahama vegetables ene ho nkoniaba no mfa carbonic kakra nya den enka ho enti we mu nyina ye education na yesi ye den ye de magana fo na yetimi reducing hypertension, diabetes, and all the non-communicable diseases. Sana COVID way at train.
Papa, we mami musadie, and there per the daily graphic de buy no cases 20,085. Emu 14,870 recover. Now what it free money say? Obi se nipa no recover. Niye ti free mo. Nature say senka ni ade na eba fom ebinu so kwa strike percentage of death against the number of cases ayewo now we are nature say percentage wise no so so 0 point something enti eno no say na akontabuo mu mo fa no
me da say you see in a public health outbreak and I say in a public health pandemic they said ye wo mu yi there were factors we are ultimately determine say o man no o born homodin and I say born homodin in terms of the management. Now Osha Ghana has a cases na kosro there but nkofo bebre so ye den recover your death rate as compared to other countries no very very low. In fact it's one of the lowest in the world. Enti ena yehwe no so say omo report where hospitals no omo report cases now our facilities overwhelmed so our factors where let's say answer say okay your death rate is low so many people your hospitals are not overwhelmed then it means that you are doing something right. And this is what is happening in Ghana. But that is not to say yare ni ho. Yare ni e wo ho pa. Enti normally no, ohwa ye hwe active cases no. Ni ye hwe omo e facilities no. Eno ni e determine hwe so facilities den you overwhelmed that. Because as o take omo ma recover any omo ma ye den say omo wu no efrim. Oh, it is onya sa entiase na and I'll bet me and who say, okay, say as a minor, oh, homodin, and I say, homodin. And I also caring for those who are sick. Or more a war facility ho. Say to say the catcher or say, the brain a war a critical condition to moderate no. The brain recover. As at the last presidential address, now 83% of those people in a recover. And they are not sure say Ghana Bibia but Minina so ye data ya makachro nyina se cases nbe kosro se Ghana bebo homodi anase we is determined by the behavior of Ghanaians in adhering to the safety protocols. And see, no, mekano baby say, the see over COVID-19, you need medicine, you need a draw, you need vaccine, you dry your was a CA as a mine, a year, say, ye with samna and the running water, ye practices social distancing, and ye draw, ye follow the hygiene protocols, ye di ye yankasa ye gianni. eno na ye dro a they fight COVID-19 se sie wo Ghana ha na nya Ghana ha nkwa ewiase nyina enti sa ade we very very important say Ghana ni bia edi science say ye de atward the broni be friend non pharmaceutical measures na minua infection rate na be ba form ama yet me reduce omo a be free mu no enti sanity
ma me hwe ade we papa example a mehu wo sa registration ya yeyi sa social distancing enye adwuma kora wo kan say
me da say see yet nie so kai say ye import restrictions so man penny ye ye ne stakeholders and organizations it's say Emma ye consultation Emma oman kasa de omo protocols ebaye Emma yeso ye de by any omo class ne ye den ye agree ye say obia ensese ye obia de aba me ye ne omo nyina na class ye nti ye so obia ediso nti hwe ya ye the Ministry of Trade for na say ya honorable Walancha Martin ebeda workplace and industry protocols edi tourism minister ebeda omodie edi electoral commission yani omo etna say omo so wo that safety protocols na guide omo no say omo ye den omo di so ye wo we a friend saying NIA omo so sa ye wo churches and mosques and other religious organizations yani omo nyina snap in a developing safety protocols because what is happening is say yare no abaga na ha say yani yare net here so we cry start a conversation they say living with the virus the things that we need to do and to the sense say yani virus no etie ne de na say you making sure so say you a balanced approach of services because eno ntimi nkoye se virus ne wo ho enso na obia bibia nkoso wo oman yi mu say activities na ekoso no emra da ho enti sa amra no na ye safety protocols no eno na ye believe say obia the safety protocols ne so a ebeboa at some point there was a lockdown to study what was happening ye wie no in ye hu say there be there's some activities ye mano ekoso na say obia the safety protocols ne so a ebe form and they say there say Ghana ni bia ehu ne say ye solution ebetimi aboa ye chance ye benya vaccine and I say a draw ebetimi asa COVID-19 no say obia the safety protocols ne so enti eno na ye say say hiayen na mo amu media say de me kan na hemfo mo amu ka de wo mu okromo ha say mo wayen na ye ntimi promote sa safety protocols no because regardless amai bebre ebie election a wo kan kro bebre atwaba in COVID-19 and some activities will still have to go on meaning I say compliance and enforcement of the safety protocols no adding up to the education no and no betimi aboa
apani ma me wiade ba ko na se mienu se obinya covid bi ana se bibi ewu se ewu bi aba na covid related na ya nye postmortem se de ye ne a ye nya doctor fu ye be ka no a ebe ye den ne ehunu se ye de ka ho se covid ne kun no
okay me da say so obekaya so bibi to say Ghana Health Service validate all deaths answer na ya den ye hu say covid and say nye covid now ohwe ewiase nyina ye was standard ye dey report WHO and I den ye follow mom ne CDC for
okay
anyway ye nyina ye ka WHO because we have a World Health Assembly hobby nti nyina eka ho now nia etie nie se obi wu a de nti o mo frɛ no COVID related death no say either say COVID no ena ama no ewu anase wowu with COVID nti say yen ye validate ema ye hu se ewu bia obi bewu bia no ampa say na nipa kro no ewo COVID be crying and yes, COVID in the Kuno, but as a basin of where COVID na maybe ABA increasing or ABA, but you have to verify to make sure say sanity. And to say you were a method of reporting ABA, it wouldn't see what district demo. Not district, they say okay, with the COVID na the Kuno. No one can say your analysis, no more passing on to the regions. On the account, then your team be a echo round. No more then, yes, your team with various regions. No more validate. Sometimes maybe or come your test no more. Some pass any pakrona or more COVID no. COVID ne kuna. Interna ebi oha regional and district deaths. No be say be na omo situational report na count. But ne ma national you know. Because I quiet to say electoral commission. National year, oh yeah, we friends. I want to the results. Meaning, also making sure the results now will publish. The final and accurate. Because so I want the great for take your data. I want UN for take your data. I want international organization. I want Ghana and Kasa your data. Your day juma. I want academia take your data. And the ultimate wrong data. Enkonkogo on national website validate here. Into sanity here. Into more woman no.
Obani ye twa to minim say yare bi ba say ya na like World Health Organization any other one committee resources into researching into sayade a aba no. Ebepim nei bibi say koso a yate siese abi kura aduro bi aba for testing no ne ade e wa ma hodo so. Bibi say koso.
Dear minim to say, in fact, Osha researcher, Miankasa mefa the risk communication na me dikaino na health promotion na me dia example. You see, so BBC eba say who apply for funding. Now the research no, into depending on the situation here, then na inform decision making in going forward. And to say, I'm not saying, Ghana Health Service Research Unit, no, any division, no health promotion, and Peninfobi you have. Yakabum, behavior change research. And you share, you throw a proposal. If you throw a proposal, approach the WHO for say, because normally, na to say the Okano, na fund view for research. But just a wa appliance. And see, yes, na ye hu. Nti say I the proposal na ye den. Aye way. See the code of WHO ni akoka chromo say. Yes, Ramos research say na ye say den. Ye pese ye. And me sure say the omo gituma on be my resources na ye here near the research no. Now again, ya initially, normally na institutions take care upon themselves normally. Yeah. So what they say, Ligon, almost sequence gene no, who say virus na wa say no, 92% similar to the who Wuhan, and the who America, and the who Europe no. Omuka say, as soon so say, except ye nya vaccine e wo krom ha say ya. Ebetimi aye adwuma ewo US, ebetimi aye adwuma wo Wuhan, ebetimi aye adwuma ewo baabia. Enti sa na ya na etie. Enti me sure say Ghana scientists egusu a omo ye den, omo research. In fact, so we kai kra Nunguchi bibi sa omo polling system no a WHO say omo peso omusua. Ni nyina ye innovative research. In a timidly or into that. And see research there, institutions so research. People are publishing papers and nina form part of research. It is honest.
Oh yeah. Papa ye beda se pa na ye no mu kase o yade bi ba se ya acha 6 months na economy na ade no still na ye wo bibi sa ani da so bi sa
onia the mechanics you see say way it depends on the area no say way me no ka say afa na ihwehwe apomodin scientists egusu aye hwehwe enti ne friend novel enti a new virus aba in fact say what the cry say almost say it will take about 6 to 12 months answer near vaccine ana meboa onti bibisa ebi mo cry say more than that. Hello,
acho mi ti o pa mira
ebi mo cry say more than that. Enti extrawo the uncertainty war sa new virus here abai. Nti egusu ayesua.
Oh okay. Papa na asem we de mame musaw. Wuhan fo yi a wo mo ko fa yare baaye. Adan wo mo ho ne de all of a sudden wom yenti se seji ekoso ni ade adan wo mo secret bi ho.
The tienye on say Wuhan for na say crowd here. You say China baby almost are locking it down. Ni nyina show say say ekoso ni esua virus no. Wuhan to say Wuhan ye go to say bi Accra. And I almost locking it down. In almost this study ye in almost area no more situation no. Na say enche bi China baby. Almost ehun say almost lock down bi. Oh, the also virus no this is year near who the mode of operation and said yeah here enti na wo ha won say na crow say na a spike ube hu na asa aba form na spike na aba form. In fact Ghana has here no is concentrated in Accra, Kumasi, Western region, Central and some part of Western and some part of Eastern. Oh, enti the TNS esi ye bo modern na yetimi eketel no ewo sa places I would impo so what is here for big hotspot
hotspot yeah
we impo Accra ne Kumasi ne baby amakeken ya ewo baby nkakra enti wo ya sase de baby a ewo no to twidwa so de be ya omo ewo ho no ebe hwe omo ho yie na omo edie omo dimra na so pepepepepepepe I mean kaso omo bi nimra but so bia dimra na so be ho de say o ko ho kra na we den na wo hwe yie because e ho de den e wo ho e sa na say de ye nti wo hwe ye heat map na ye kokọ website for na hwe heat map na they indicate all these hotspots. In fact, a boy cry may intensify education ewo sa ebiano.
Okay.
Enti sa next year.
Papa, e ba yi ade ba kon ya kan ho asem se nyanya anu aduro. Na ye momodena se afa be me immune system na aye strong. Na ye keke nuane ahodo president ko aka bi da wada wanom ye ni kontomire num ni ade no. Eno ka ho binti na se wo ba rural areas na prevalence level no enye high no ho.
Ebetimi abasa hwe oni nibi
mitio
yare no so immune system ye good eye enti an immune system say na boost no vitamins yenya ye wo krom ha say ye lucky say ye nuaba any vegetable is containing these vitamins here to boost your immune system. Ebi to say contomre ya okan vitamins bebre wom the boy green boy dawa leaf okay na wo be bi mo class sobolo ni na contain vitamin C any hon koneaba timi boa e ma ode den o di boost your immune system enti de mechanic say mo ma yen hwe kwan a ye be die yankase aduane na mpo ye die yankase aduane kra na esa promote ye yankase ye farming activities Oh, sana COVID we are saying, I say, yen check me out, yen can say better swear, baby. You may, into share, to see a trade ministry, or more award their contract, and my local companies are almost producing PPs. Oh, as to say, majority of the PPs are here, Oklahoma, and Oka. Yeah, no, Ghana has saying. Now, the entire about a group, I believe we are seeing the PPEC who could escape and who have been taught. And side innovation, yeah, a buying the buyer, no. And now, boy, some radio PPEC will Chrome has said. And yes, sir, and cannot cross here another problem. And see, young Shakwaya as for mine, you be promoting young Kasaya, yeah. Yankasa industrial way to say the Omu one district, one factory. See, Omunya bebre one district, one factory. No, Omunya bebre to say agriculture because Crowway your destiny agina agriculture so. Usha statistics now. Bebre na ye kuafo. But say Omuya Omuya no. Na yetimi edie yankase aduane patronize edie near sportibia economy ne be den yie the contribution of agriculture to yankase ye was very very significant and no na say dey promote so this is the new thinking at COVID ediaba to my best understanding because honestly say you're making sure that you patronize and say say cry lucky say continental free trade yeah the back Ghana has say na say say ye ho na ye mechanize agric na ye we can say like ye irrigation farming to say abine one dam one way one dam
one district
village
one district one dam
but also a friend
one district one dam
aha ni nyina ye nioma ebetia boa agriculture oh ehia mumien fa agric eni agrokra ehia pa
woye
it's anatie
doc medasia no pay say monya bre ne ya na eja muso mahwe mu yi amaye why wadawro yes that's it
intimitia
obia sojo so doc baba ami bye Dr. Abuajida Costa, Director of Health Promotions, Ghana Health Service.
Okay, FM 101.7.